What's up guys? Just got my GoPro 7 Black. So I'm gonna do some unboxing right now and let's go. This is the 7 Black and this is the travel kit. Just open this. How do we open this? So we got a silicone housing with the strap, and this is the GoPro shorty. I think this is pretty cool. It's easy to bring around, especially for those who love to travel. Nothing much in there, just 2 items with the pouch. Alright, moved on. Let's go to this. This is the main thing we're talking about here. This is the Hero 7 Black, sorry. They got a new design, so you don't have to crash your packaging. So you just tear this thing off, open it downwards, and you just slide it out, and there you go. Slide it out just like this, and you need to break all the things on top. And this comes with the Hyper Smooth, and this is one of the reasons I got this camera. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice. So, all those books, manuals, instructions, and hey, the stickers. Yep, these stickers. Let's see what's inside. I think we have this curved mount. This is the flat mount. This is USB Type-C, which I really like it because I'm using Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, so it charges with USB Type-C. I really like it. And this is the battery. Yep, the screen shows Black 7 as well when you kickstart it. And one more thing, this time round, GoPro did a very good job where they give us this very thoughtful GoPro, and they give it this 32GB memory card. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the button below to subscribe to my channel, and I will bring more content to you guys. I love to travel. I hope I can bring more travel videos to you guys, and I love food. Hopefully I can shoot more food videos for you guys. And yeah, see you soon guys. See ya.